Hello everyone. I would like to show you how to use Google Apps Script to freely edit a spreadsheet. First, open Coder Agent. You can input your editing requirements for current spreadsheet data, and Coder will generate Google Apps Script code for you. For example, I input a task to create a chart. Then, Coder will analyze my request and help me generate a bar chart. Okay, Coder helped me create this bar chart. Let's try another example. I asked Coder to help me filter data and then populate it into a new sheet. Coder generated the code for me, which filtered the data and placed it into a new sheet. Let's take a look at the generated Google Apps script. You can modify the code in the editor if you're familiar with Google Apps script. For example, you can modify the filtering criteria. Okay, this is Coder Agent. You can input any data editing needs here. If you know how to write Google Apps script code, that will greatly enhance your efficiency in editing spreadsheets. Welcome to try out Sally Suite, a very powerful spreadsheet copilot.